I hope you're doing great. So welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a while and today we're just excited. Ryan, simkuje mtuambie leo tunaenda wapi. Not forgetting, this is from my daughter. When you have a CBC student, you can even wear nini mfupa kwa shingo about fashionista. I don't know about fashions, but I'm told this one is beans necklace. Hand wrist. No, hand wrist. Made from bangle. Ryan amesema ni bangle. Whatever it is bangle made from beans za kusokiwa. Well, you see how I'm glowing. So jewelries from Mariam the fashionista. Leo tunaenda wapi?
Children's home.
Leo tunaenda children's home and we are gonna celebrate life, giving love and spreading love together with my team. Wengine tunaenda kuwapata pale mbele. So tune in and watch until up to the end. Ni nani huyo? Can you see? At the end of the day, guys, make sure somebody just say thank you because we want to live a life with purpose. Yani tuishi maisha, usiishi tu maisha wa you can make somebody smile just by giving a little. Are you feeling happy?
Yes.
Tell me about it. What do you know about children's home? What are you going to do?
I'm gonna say hi to the children.
Say hi to the children and then we play, share
I'm gonna
meals.
play with them.
We're gonna play, dance, and we're gonna feed them. We are gonna wash plates. We are gonna do a lot of things, a lot of activities. Na wewe nayo umepanga aje?
Tunaenda kudance.
Tunaenda kudance. Lazima tuwaonyeshe hizo moves. Sasa tune in na tufike. Tuende to celebrate. Leo tuko pale Restoration of Victory pale Kahawa West and we can't wait. Nyinyi watu, life is a
What about the other one?
are magnificent. Yani, you are so welcoming and I feel comfortable with you guys. And as long as we have the same vision, let's spread that love. Na kwa mom tunasema shukran sana kwa kutukubali tukuje hapa. Is not just something to take lightly. And you are doing an amazing, but you are great. Si Mungu tu akujazie neema. Na kila mmoja wenyu mwenye amekuja hapa, Mungu atujazie neema na tupe grace. Because hii kitu huwezi fanya na mwili, you do it from the heart. Because if you do it kwa mwili utachoka, utakwazwa, utasengenywa, lakini with God everything is possible. Kwa watoto, mimi venye mnaniona hapa, I'm a totally orphan. I don't have parents, I don't have a mom nor a dad. I grew up in a toxic environment. Sikuwa na mtu wa kuambia nikiwa na shida. But lucky enough mko na mtu wa kuita mom. Simpige makofi na mwambie Mungu asante. Mungu amewapea hiyo neema. That grace is just enough. And just know that we love you so much. And Mungu akijalia tutarudi mara nyingine na si mara moja. Barikiwe.
Asante Rosie.